Let's go back to the future the mARTi way. Peace Bridge over the River Foyle is legendary. Belfast City Hall, one of the first buildings in Europe to get a colored LED light system. You'll see some pretty amazing sunsets in Northern Ireland. The city that built Titanic still has an original sweetie jar shop. Yeah, it looks like a castle, but soon to be a George Best themed hotel. You'll agree, some pretty amazing street art seen all over Belfast and Northern Ireland. Go for a wee dander along the River Lagan, past the waterfront hall, over the bridge, and into the Titanic quarter. On occasion, they bring out the social sofa, where you can sit and natter with the locals, while away along some reef. Or, since gin is a thing, why not chill out in one of Belfast's many quirky bars? Once described as land of saints and scholars, discover who they were. See the hidden gems in our cities and in our forests that describe them. Not too many cities in the world have a tree in a cage.